having the learner-led culture and a place where people can go learn whatever they want, whenever they want, has always been the summit of the mountain to get to. And I think that technology is helping that because people can choose to learn when they can. For instance, when we did lockdown, we introduced lunchtime learning. We did short snippets where people could ring in, and it was more like webinar based rather than a workshop. And it was the first time our organisation had offered anything like that. It turned out to be hugely popular. It helped to build that kind of environment where people go, oh, actually, I can learn something whilst I'm at my desk eating my lunch, because I'm normally going to be at my desk eating my lunch anyway. So why not learn something? So I think that the technology helps with doing these little short videos. It allows us to do snippets of things. That's how people now learn. You go to YouTube for stuff, don't you? You go to TikTok for stuff, and you watch someone do something in a really short time, and I can fast forward and just pick the bit I need. And it's also that whole just-in-time learning. So we're using Bridge in all of those ways. So we have microlearnings where people can go and do things at their own time, but we also we use the live trainings quite a lot. An example would be a couple of weeks ago we did a week of learning in the organisation where we offered 4 or 5 sessions, drop-in sessions every day on multiple different topics. We had everything from how to manage distractions when you're working from home through to how to recognise when people have had a stroke and everything in between. So what we did with those is we offered it so that anybody could hop in. We also recorded them, and then we've uploaded those again to Bridge. So not only with the live trainings on there, but now the recordings are on there as well. So from those snippets, that was, you could join if you had the time right there and then, or you could watch when you wanted to watch. We had a Moodle site earlier. So we've moved from Moodle because we are a charity, we went for free first, and so we looked at uptake. What we had there was something like a 12% take-up from the organisation, which we thought was pretty good for a start. Using Bridge now, I think we're up at something like 45% of a take-up. What I think is really helpful is that we do our development planning as well. We use the performance part of Bridge as well as the one-on-one part of Bridge and the goal setting, so it's everything, and that all helps to drive people to learning. So yeah, that's been really, really good.